Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to basically compare FxPro and XM in order to help you decide which broker is better choice for you in 2026. So both FxPro and XM are well-regulated brokers with a long history in the Forex industry. They keep the client funds in the segregated accounts and are trusted by millions of traders worldwide. Both are going to support MT4 and MT5. FxPro also offer you the C Trader and its own FxPro trading platform, while XM focuses mainly on the MetaTrader ecosystem. XM is also known for its low minimum deposit, educational resources, and beginner-friendly account options. FxPro stands out with the fast execution, multiple trading platforms, and a wider range of tradable instruments. So the real question here is which one should you actually choose, or which one is actually better for you. So you can choose XM if you are a beginner who is looking for a low cost way to start trading. You can choose FxPro if you want more platform choices, advanced trading tools, and a broker suited to both the beginners and the experienced traders. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.